Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 BMW S1000RR. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 38,878 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need front turn signals and rear turn signals with sufficient visibility, as well as a license plate bracket that meets DOT standards and a plate light. In addition, this bike will also need DOT compliant mirrors. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 230 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a dent on the exhaust, scrapes on the frame sliders, cracked mirror glass, and scratches on the swing arm. This bike has one key and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with an SC Project muffler, R&G frame sliders, swing arm spools, mirrors, lever guards, tank pads, rear turn signals, a rear fender eliminator kit, and an accessory ball mount. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.